Alright guys, up next, Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout. Very excited to go back on this ride. Hopefully this time we can secure front row seat. That would be awesome. This ride is probably in contention, in my opinion, for the best ride at California Adventure. It's either this or the Incredicoaster for my top ride.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present to you Tannelia Tavern's private office.
One step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy that let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! What was... That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friend. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
Back away from the door a little bit, guys.
There you go.
Your hands for clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Remember, at this time, class 5 meter recording, many kind of make sure we keep track of any and all loose articles. Enjoy your tour.
My dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, unplug you and start things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. Clearance, let's roll.
I called for front row too, and I got it. Got the best ride POV I could possibly get. I hope you guys like that. And I actually sat in the same exact spot on Tower of Terror, so maybe I might make a video comparing each ride. In my opinion, I really do like the re-theme of Tower of Terror, but yeah, it was definitely one of the best rides here, for sure. Awesome picture.